Okay, guys. So let's see procedure to develop a JSP program by using a Netbeans IDE by having all three scriptlet tags, that is expression, declarations, and scriptlet. The first step is to create the Java Go application in Netbeans IDE. So I need not to say uh, open the Netbeans file menu. Okay, Java, then Java Web application. Next, okay, then go ahead. Those who are not aware about, then these students can refer these points. So Java with Maven, but Maven require internet connection. So let me start my. I think whether I can able to access or not. Till then, let me check whether it can able to access. It will connect automatically. Java front end, Java web. I can develop EJP also. But leave about all this stuff. Today I'm working with the Java web applications. Hit the next. Give the name. Give the name. So project location. I wish to change the project location. So day 5. So and here I let me give the name. Uh, web project. Web project. Okay. I should create a workspace here. So let me get this path. Let me get this path, and I will change this path to browse. So instead of this, what I'll do, Control A, Control V. Okay. D CSMSS full stack training JSP. This is my web project. Okay. Group ID, leave about this one. This is your, I can call packages, you can call. So and version, and this will create com.my company and the project name. It is optional, but you can pass here. So actually I used to give here instead of com.my company. So here I can add and CSMSS dot CSCOE. CSCOE. Okay. CSMSS dot CSCOE dot like ORJ dot, okay, ORJ dot Spring dot in a similar way, or Java Jakarta dot Solid dot. I can able to add my company name and followed by your project name. So next, so let me check the server. Java 10. Okay. I'm using the API called Java 10. So Jakarta 9. So I have Tomcat 10 now. So 10 Java 10. So let me add Apache Tomcat or Tomcat EE. So you can add Amazon server, Glassfish server, Para, Wildlife. Okay. Next, server location. Actually, this is first time I'm adding, so that's what Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 10, bin. Okay, open. This is your server locations. Why it is not able to point? Catalina home and login details. So here, just select up to Tomcat 10. Select up to Tomcat 10, and you can pass the username, admin, and the password is I added the create user if not exist. It is already created. Okay, hit the finish. Okay, done. Hit the finish. You can use Glassfish also. Let me check Glassfish is available along with me or not, because Netbeans give inbuilt a Glassfish also. Let me try one more project. It will take time creating a project. You can add Glassfish also in similar way. If, because earlier in earlier versions, Tomcat comes along with the Glassfish internally inbuilt. You can see here downloading Maven dependencies, Jakarta, Faces, API. Can you see here at the bottom? Can you see here? Okay. It is downloading all the repositories, Jakarta, main.java, web apps. Okay. Maven project 1, DOM stubs.zip. So this is my Maven. These are my web pages. Okay. Index.html, source packages, dependencies. What are the dependencies you add will be added into here. Will be added into here. All the dependencies in the form of .jar files. Okay. And project files. This is form, and in this form you can able to configure all your, maybe if you wish to configure Hibernate, if you wish to configure Spring, if you wish to configure any third-party API like a reporting Java reporting tool Jasper, or you are creating a PDF files, PDF APIs or PDF jars, or the way you used to work with the database operations, third operations, you need to add database related jars. Okay, you need to add the dependencies, search the dependencies, go to Maven, search the dependencies. So where do I find the dependencies? Just you need to add this dependency tag. Okay, you need to add this dependency tag. Not a great deal. Fine. This is by using Tomcat. Similarly, I can able to create a same uh, Maven project one. So file, new. Let me create project with Maven Go application. Let me try same by using Go application. How to create a Go application? Maven project 2. Okay, CSMS or CSCV Maven project 2. Fine, in the same location, web project. Next, here you can choose what add. So Glassfish. If Glassfish is already installed along with my my Netbeans ID, no matter, I need not worry about this. Choose server to download. It will download now. Installation locations means my Glassfish server is not installed by default along with the Netbeans IDE. It is asking me to download. So better you should have high-speed internet to download. Otherwise, you can download externally Glassfish server and you can configure externally configured server into your Netbeans IDE. Okay. So presently I'm not downloading. It will take time. So cancel. Here also you need to create a new application. Okay. Fine. Meanwhile, let me add the JSP. Where to add the JSP? Go to web pages folder. Next step. Hello, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Actually, I'm in a class. May I call you back after 10 a.m. if you don't mind? Just give me 20 minutes of time. I'll call you back, please. Sure, sure. Hi guys. So let's next we should add a JSP page. So to add the JSP page, so next step is add JSP page. Where to add the JSP page? So add the JSP page in web app folders. In web pages folder. Web pages directory. So how do I add? Right click on the web pages, new JSP. You can able to add easily. In a similar way, you can add solid also. New, search for JSPs. Can you see here? Right click, new. So you'll find your JSP. Give the name. What is the name you used to give? This is my first web page. You can give the index page. You can give anything. But actually, when you give the index page, that will load automatically. That will load automatically. You don't have to configure the JSP page, or you don't type manually in web.xml as a welcome file. Index.html or index.jsp is a welcome file name by default. Okay. So fine. So Maven project, web pages, location, web pages. Fine. Hit the finish button. JSP file, standard syntax. Look at here. JSP file, standard syntax, create JSP segment. No, I don't want to create JSP document, XML syntax. I don't want to create a JSP segment. I wish to create only plain JSP file. This is my JSP file. Okay, and the uh, which JSP tag is this? Which JSP tag is this? Huh? Which JSP tag is this? Huh? Comment line, huh? Right? Now, this is page tag. I'll come to know. What is the purpose of page tag? Whenever you want to add any page or you are trying to add any package or you want to load a package into your JSP program, you need to use left angle bracket modulo at the rate page followed by package name. Followed by package name. Import java.util. I'll go through that. Don't worry. So leave about all this stuff. I don't want to use this HTML. So deleted. This is also not required. So just let me add. I'll remove this stuff. Remove. Simply I'm going to use the date. I'm going to use the date. What I'll do? So import. Come on. Still transferring Marvin repository. Waiter. It is taking time. Based on your internet speed, will take time. Started now. Import java.util.date. Import. Is it visible to you? Huh? Visible all of you? Or should I increase the font? Last benchers. Huh? Take a and beside to that. Visible, eh? Sure, next step. So guys, this is the new tag to you, but this is a page directory actually. Whenever you want to load any other JSP file into your any second JSP into your present JSP, you can use this other page. You want to include or you want to import any library, predefined library into your page. You can use @page. Okay. Next, let me create a scriptlet tag. Let me create the scriptlet tag and declaration tags modulo. So in this declaration tag, let me define a methods. Oh, where can I find the preferences? So try to increase the font. So public void generate wish message, or you can let me pass of let me this method takes the parameter string msg a message opening closing parenthesis, and here I can able to write my method body. So guys, so let me get the current date and time. So get the current date and time. So I need to work with the date. So first of all, let me get the calendar. Calendar cal is equal to calendar dot get get instance. No, get instance. I got the instance. Next, let me get the current hours of the day. So how do I able to get the current hours of the day? Cal dot. So I have a method called uh, hours of the day. Hours of not a method. I have a static field which is responsible to give the current hour of the day. Okay. So this is static. Then let me typecast into cal dot. I don't know why the suggestion is not coming. Cal dot. I should get it. Okay, let me hold into hours. If this is my if within the if block. Okay. If hours is less than if hours is less than 12, what should I tell? Good morning. Okay. Now either print here or bring the value here, return string, return good morning. Next, else if hours is less than 16. So let me return here, good afternoon. Next, what should I write? Good evening and good night. If hours is less than 20, I'll add here good evening. ठीक है? Else, what do I return? Return good night. Okay. This is which tag? This is which tag? Which tag? Declaration tag, huh? Right now. Now let me add some other tags, scriptlets and scriptlet tags and expression tags. Okay. So welcome to JSP. Okay. Welcome to JSP. Let me add here break tag. Next, to show the date and time. Date and time. So how do I declare a variable now again? How do I create the instance? Tell me. How do I declare a variable and how do I create the instance? Can I use expression tag? Can I use expression tag? New date of new date of next. Let me add here. Maybe now declaration done, expression done. Let me add a scriptlet tag. Okay. Scriptlet tag. Show any message. What is the message you want to show? काय show करायचं? Tell me. Otherwise, let me add my name. Maybe here string name is equal to name also to Ganesha. Okay. Lord Ganesha. Declare के लिए variable. I declare the variable. Let me add here scriptlet tag and let me give the wish message. Okay, the wish message is, and here I can call that name, and I can call that name as well as I can call that wish message, right? Okay, so this is scriptlet tag, this is expression tag, and this is a declaration tag. Leave about this library for time being. This is page directive. This is the page directive. Added calendar instead of data because I wish to work with the calendar also, right? I wish to work with the calendar also. So java.title.calendar, java.title.date. So instead of importing two individually, I'm adding here star. So here, okay, fine. Just scroll down. So this is my wish message. Let me put the wish message here. This is wish message, and let me pass the user. Actually, I should add here. If I pass here Ganesha, and then if I pass here, so how to call the method? What is the method name? Get a generate wish message. Let me call this method generate wish message here. Fine. Pass your name. That's it. Pass the name. Done. लिहून झालं का? लिहून झालं का? You can declare a variable here also. Okay. If you declare a variable here in a declaration, that will act as a global. We can remove here also. Either create as a declarations or create as a scriptlet. Why? If you create a declaration, that will act as a class level variable. Within the class na whole, it can be accessed by JSP init, JSP service, and JSP destroy. But if I create only scriptlet, what will happen? It will be available within the service method. It will be available within the service method, right? Right? So I removed here expression tag. I kept in a scriptlet. But here I have not added. लिहून झालं का सगळ्यांचं? So message. Let me add the space here, and here let me give the MSG. Why? Because that name will not appear here. If I don't give the name, good morning, good night, Ganesha. Okay, fine. Save. Save. I'll save now. Just now. Let me run the project. Still, it is transferring Maven repository. I don't know how much time it will take. Look, you can see here, building Maven project snapshot 1, creating a var, trying to create the var. Okay. Still, it is compiling now, running the Maven project. Maven project one var colon var